I'm tuning in 2 days, fully 85. I'll be fully tuned. The car is running, from my understanding, good. What's up, y'all? So here we are. We're gonna try to replace my box spring that's in here. My lights are out. My horn is out. So yeah. And also we're gonna put Alcantara sweat from right here to right here, right here to right here, so it looks a lot better. And I have to polish it too, so the carbon fiber can come back to life. As you can tell, it's pretty dirty. So pretty explanatory. 2 bolts, one right here and the other one on the other side. The back comes out. You remove these right here. You're gonna remove this plug right here. This should come out with the 19. There's 2 bolts right here at the bottom, Phillips, I believe, and the bottom should come off, I want to say. So you have to drop this down, and then there you're gonna have 2 more Phillips on the back, and then this comes off. Take this off and you should be able to remove it. You got 2 Phillips screws right here. Remove them. After that, you just take off this plug, this plug, this plug, and I believe this one, and it should come off. Also, I forgot to mention, this is on here. Make sure to remove it before you remove the case that's at the bottom. Now you go here, right? There's this right here that you press down, and this right here that you press down. It comes off on both sides. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Okay, it has like some type of oil. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but I'm gonna clean it up, remove it, and we should be good to go. And here we have the new one. So now let's put it back together.
355. Then what state are you in now?
Hey, shout out Dean and Parker. So we made some marks. I already got this one cut. What I'm gonna do is just wrap it here. Probably sand it maybe, so we can maybe grab on better. I don't know. Maybe I just leave it like this. Or maybe I can sand it down, and I don't know. I was fucking just thinking about cutting it, to be honest. But nah, I can't do that. So this is what we have at the moment. Kind of suede on the side. So far, here we are. Not bad for my first time. So now that we finished the steering wheel, we're gonna go to these pieces. It's like 12 a.m. But man, we're pushing and we should deliver. The wheel looks amazing. So this is where we're at. I think I'm gonna leave this carbon fiber just because it just looks better with the black, I think. Kind of gives it a touch to the wheel itself. So yeah. Here we are. And it works. So we're good to go for the E85 tune. Oh, that's the other side. What's up, y'all? We got some more parts in today. We are going to do my tie rod ends. Bro, we got them on Amazon. 35 bucks for inner and outer tie rods. Hopefully they'll last at least through my tune. I'm tuning in 2 days, fully 85. I'll be fully tuned. The car is running, from my understanding, good. I'll probably go to my friend's shop, put it on the lift, just to check over it underneath to check if everything is cool. And after that, man, it should be good to go. This is where we're at on one. I think this side is the only one that's bad, right? But the kit came with all four for like 40 bucks. I'm gonna replace both sides. More content for you. It is 12. Make sure you get your protein in. So this is how the old one looked. Let me put it here so you guys can kind of listen to it. I think this was a problem too because it would just hang down. So we'll see. This is super firm on there, so we'll see. I can't even fucking move it like this. This with like just a little bit of pressure, it just moves. This, hell no. Hell no. Yeah, that had to be the cost. So here we are. This is the driver's side, and this is the passenger side. It's just so like, I'm not even putting effort into moving them. This one is a bit harder than that one. But these, I don't know. I don't feel like this should be like this. Because literally with one finger, look. Here we have the turbo guard going in. So new and hopefully last tuned is in. We got E85 now. We're gonna drive it to Mavericks, come and go, to get some E85, some fucking elote, and log it. And hopefully that's all. Here goes nothing. So I'm in a little dilemma. I just did my first E85 tune. It ran great, right? But when I came to a light, it kind of started to misfire in a way. My VDC light and my slip light is on. So I recently changed my clock spring, and there's a little adapter behind the clock spring that I had to remove from the OEM one to this one. So I have to remove it and test both of them to see which one is the faulty one, so I can continue with my tune. And earlier today, I had problems after problems. I filled it up with the 85, and it just started overfilling because it wasn't tied properly, the hat of the fuel pump. But we live and we learn. Let's get it.